What's up, YouTube? And today I'm gonna tell you why these are still my favorite trimmers. These are my second favorite trimmers, and why these new Fx3s are my third favorite trimmers. When these trimmers came out, they were more or less perfect. They were easy to adjust the blade. They had a lot of power. They were skeletoned out so you can go around the ear well. And there was a couple little things that could have been adjusted on them, like a light indicator when the battery was going out or something. And instead of improving upon them, they came up with some brand new, completely different ones. And completely drop this design for this design. Now, I don't know if they're gonna come back and make a part 2 of these, or if they're just gonna keep making different products, which I don't know. Babyliss, they just make completely different stuff over and over. But so far, what I've found out with these is that they're just really, really sharp. Kind of no matter what you do to them, they're super sharp. And it's a good thing and a bad thing, but like when you don't want them that sharp, it's kind of, then they get either dull or super sharp when you're adjusting the blade. I really like the light indicator that it has. I wish they would have just put the light indicator on these, upgraded these a little bit, like a 2.0 version of these. But we got these, and they have a plastic housing, a completely different blade, still good trimmers, more like Slimline Pro meets FX, but very sharp blade. And I'm still, when I cut people's hair, I still ask them every once in a while, hey, are these hurting you? Or are you okay with these? It's not, yeah, you know. And so certain people I've cut with these, there's been irritation. And no matter who I cut with these, there's no irritation. So for me, setting the blade on these is a lot easier than setting the blade on these, because these are just super, super, super sharp. Which when you first start out cutting hair, you're like, oh, I want the sharpest thing in the world. But when you start cutting little kids and fair skinned people and people with sensitive skin, and you have one trimmer, you're gonna need an all around trimmer, which is still these. We go to these. Now these have my favorite lineup blade, the DCL 2.0. Did I say that right? DLC 2.0. These have the same as this. I like this blade a lot. It's sharper than this blade, not as sharp as the other blade, but it still has, it lines up really well. This is a good combination of both. Least amount sharp, middle sharp blade, sharp in a good way, almost too sharp. And it could be just me. Let me know in the comment section. Have you gotten these to where they cut good and they're not super sharp? For me, they push hair away also. So if there's a lot of hair in the way and you push, tap, 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 it pushes the hair out the way. These, they gobble up the hair. So, you know, completely different blades. If you're gonna get one trimmer, stick with these. If you're gonna get two, get you a pair of these for lineups. Get you a pair of these for workhorses and lineups, but not as sharp. These ones, I don't know. I don't know how much I can recommend these anymore. They're good, but some people's skin is just, and like, let's see, you can see, they're about as gapped as the other ones. I don't know how good you can see that. It's just the way the blade is. The blade is sharp. Go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel to get more content, and we'll be coming with more videos. We got a new studio in here so we can do more work. There's less chaos going on. So I'll be able to put out more content for you guys. And I'm gonna do more face-to-face stuff. We're gonna do some live videos, stuff like that. Before I was always doing tutorials and I didn't really interact much because we run a 14 chair shop. There's just so much going on all the time. 14 people, music, all kinds of chaos going on. But now I can sit down. I got a little studio to work at. Me and my partner AJ, and we're gonna be doing more videos like this. So we'll catch you on the next one.